Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm gonna talk to you about my microblading procedure and all the process. And I'm also gonna talk to you about the wonderful, awesome face oil that I received. It's La Coéss, and you will hear about that a little bit later. Now let's jump into the microblading process, but first I wanted to apologize because I had some issues with my microphone, and that's why you will hear a lot of voiceovers. Now let's jump into the video.
Let me show you how they look before. And here you can see them. And they are looking so sad. But now I'm gonna get them microbladed because they really need the help. Look at that. Now I'm gonna show you how they turned out right after microblading, and I'm really swollen. But here is just after I got out of there, and now this is the first cleanup or aftercare, and this is how they are looking. It's been like 3 hours after the fact that I got microbladed. It hurt a lot. Now I just have to clean it, and I'm taking a cotton pad and I'm just wiping it off with a little bit of water because we need to get off all of that lymph that gets out of the eyebrow. So I'm just gonna clean them like this so I can apply the cream that she gave me, and it's more like an ointment, this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Q-tip so I can apply it to my eyebrows. And she told me that I should get a little bit, not a lot, not to make them shiny. So I'm going to apply a little bit of that on top of my eyebrow like this. On both of them, just changing the side of the Q-tip like that. And here you can see them. They are not shiny. They are looking cute. Now this process is gonna start. And now we have the day 2 and my morning routine. And hello, this is how they are looking like this. Now we have to clean it, use them, Cetaphil, so I can wash my face and wash them a little bit. And what I'm doing is just washing my face really nicely like this. So then I can wash my forehead and clean them a little bit, not a lot. So I'm just going to continue doing that. Now I'm just going to pat them with a little bit of water like that. And then get my face all dried so I can apply the ointment again. And I'm just drying it slowly, being careful. This is how they are looking. Now we're going to take the same ointment and I'm going to apply it just a little bit on top of them. That's just to make them a little bit easier to heal because it has lots of oil, so it can heal really nicely. Now you can see them. Now for day 3 of the healing follow-up, you can see I added a little bit of makeup. And this is how it's looking. Now let me show you how they look. They are looking darker than they should, but I'm loving them. Look at that. So cute. A little bit of a close-up so you can see them. They look so beautiful. Now, let's go on day 4 and a healing follow-up. And here you can see them. They are looking cute, starting to look a lot darker. Look at that. They are not hurting by this time. Day 5, you can see them over here. They are looking more dark, and I don't have any scabbing or anything. They are just looking dark and cute. I just love them. And you can see over here, they are just a little bit dry, but no scabbing. Now for day 6 of the healing follow-up, you can see them, and there I have a little bit of scabbing over here and over here too. Now let's go to day 7. And my nighttime routine, I can apply a little bit of something to my face. Finally, they are scabbing, as you can see, a lot. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash my face using the Cetaphil again. I'm just gonna wash it really nicely, and I can wash my eyebrows. Yay! So I'm gonna wash all my face really well, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of water just to remove all that set of feel. And that soap was awesome on this healing process. And now what I'm gonna do is I just rinse it and I'm just patting dry my face. And now I'm gonna apply my ointment again because I had to use this for 7 days. So all the scabs go off really smoothly, and as you can see, we're losing some of them in the process. Now I'm just cleaning. There was one. And now you can see them. Now I'm gonna take my Coéss face oil and give me a beautiful and awesome massage on the lower half of my face because I cannot apply anything on the upper half. Now I'm just applying the oil, and let me tell you, I love this oil. It works so well to give yourself a massage. Now I'm using the washa tool, and I'm not gonna show you completely how I give myself a washa massage because I'm gonna show you a little bit later. But now you can see a little bit of what I do to my face, lower face. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just massaging it so it goes back to getting used to have something on my face. And I'm just rubbing it like that to give myself a good massage, being careful with the under eye. Now I'm just massaging my neck like this. And after I finish with that, I'm gonna show you a little bit more. Now I'm just massaging a little bit more. And now I'm gonna show you what I do under my cheekbones just to get them beautiful and lifted. And this is what I do. Now you can see, here you have them. Here you have the results of the face oil. Nothing on the forehead, but here you can see it. Now for day 8. Our healing follow-up, and I'm here on my crafting table as always. And here you can see them. There are no more scabs, and as you can see, they are really light, and I'm not happy by this point. And I think everyone goes through that phase. Now for day 9, I finally washed my hair. So exciting. And as you can see, they are just healed. I'm happy because I washed my hair. And you cannot see any more scabs. I'm not happy with the color or the shape right now. I'm freaking out, as you can see on my eyes. But we are gonna trust the process. Now for day 10 and the healing follow-up and a little bit of makeup, you can see they are healed, and I don't have any product on my eyebrows because I cannot wear that on this day. And I'm gonna show you that I used Coéss face oil under my makeup, and this is awesome because you get that poreless complexion look. Loving it. It looks so beautiful under your makeup. It's awesome. Now, for day 11 of my healing follow-up, you can see I don't have any makeup. And here you can see the eyebrows. They are getting a little bit darker, but not too much. I'm still freaking out. As you can see, here you can see them closer. I don't know, but this shape is not convincing. Now, for day 12 of my healing follow-up, you can see we have them over here. And you can see the other one, it's missing a lot of hairs. And this is how they are looking. Now for day 13, full face makeup. Finally, I could put some product on my eyebrows. And here you can see that I filled them up because they were empty. But you can see them that they are looking cute right now. I'm a little bit happier with the shape. And this is how they are looking. And I'm a little bit happier. Now for day 14, full face skincare. But first I wanted to show you the progression of all the healing process of my eyebrows. As I told you, I'm not too happy with how they turned out. So I'm gonna wait until my touch-up to be sure if I like them or not. But now let's jump into the follow up and reveal, and as you can see, we have them over here a little bit darker than we have seen them before. I'm still not sure about that one because it's missing a lot of hairs. And this is how they are looking. Now we're gonna give ourselves a beautiful massage using La Coéss face oil, and I'm applying like 5 to 8 drops of it. And I'm gonna apply that to my face really well, like this, patting it down, just massaging it into the skin like this, all around my face because I can apply it all over by now. And I'm gonna continue just doing this, and now I'm gonna take my washer tool and I'm gonna massage my jawline like this. And I just massage it and then get to the back and just smooth it out. And now I'm doing the same thing on my cheekbones and my face, my right side of the face. Yeah, you can see it's the left one, but it's the camera. But I'm just doing that and massaging it in the end. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrow like this. And then after I move from my eyebrow, I'm gonna do the top of my forehead. I couldn't do this before and I'm so excited. And now I'm gonna do what it's called the third eye, or the middle of my forehead. Now I'm gonna do the other side, and as you can see, I'm massaging my cheekbones to make them look beautiful and just stretching out. Now a little bit of a massage on my neck like this, just bringing everything to the back. And now you can see the skin, and this oil works beautifully. Look at that. I'm more in love than when I started. Final thoughts.
Now my final thoughts on microblading. I will tell you like it is. It hurts a lot. This eyebrow didn't get any numbing cream to work. It was horrible. In a level scale of pain, it was like 5 out of 10. It was extreme. And I would say also a 6 out of 10. It was hard. But if you can tolerate pain and if you want your eyebrows to look a little bit fuller, you will love it. Mine, I'm not so sure about them because I think I need my touch-up just to fall in love with them. I'm not convinced, but I'm working with it. And that's my honest opinion on microblading. It's just too extreme. It costs a lot of money. And if you don't have or have a tolerance to numbing cream, that will be really, really, really hard to manage because it can get to a 6 out of 10. But if you like it and want to look beautiful, just go ahead. But I just wanted to tell the truth about the microblading experience that I had. Now for my thoughts on La Coéss face oil. I'm in love with it. It gives you that poreless appearance that we all love. And as you can see, I have it under my makeup because I use it under my makeup, and also I use it with my washer tool to give myself a face massage. And I'm loving it. I think I won't be able to live without it. If you want to buy it, in the description box down below, I'm gonna leave you the link so you can go and check it out. For me, I love it and I will continue buying it. And remember that if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this and the other type of videos. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.